Hello everyone, you are watching Blackboard. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to an amazing platform where you will be able to learn a lot of courses under the same roof. So, are you ready? If you are looking to learn how to speak English like a native speaker, or you want to learn how to earn through content writing, or you are looking for some subject specialists, then Lessa Trainers is the best choice. But wait, why Lessa Trainers? Because they are certified and an FBR registered company, literally not a scam. And not only that, they are providing experienced and specialized mentors for each course and subject. Now, have a look at the list of courses they are offering. So, from English speaking courses to content writing to microbiology, pathology, immunology, and oh my goodness, wow, so much more on the list. Do you guys know that they are offering the basic and advanced spoken English courses? So, if you are looking forward to learn the very basics of grammar, or you want to improve your vocabulary skills, furnishing your speaking and listening skills from the very scratch, then get yourself enrolled to the basic spoken English course. Or if you are a bit up to date and want to be able to understand the native speakers, or get to know the interesting ways to practice speaking English, or want to boost up your confidence of public speaking, then you should go with the advanced spoken English course. The most interesting thing is that they take a pre and post self-evaluation test, which ensures your level of knowledge before and after getting the course. Now hurry up and get yourself enrolled to these amazing offers. But before that, hit the like button, subscribe my channel for more videos. Good day!